Hello everyone, welcome to Tigers. Hope you guys are doing good. In today's video, I will be unboxing and giving you a quick overview of the wireless keyboard by Portronics. This is the box, you can have a look at it, the Portronics branding and the name of the product, Key 2 Combo. Here are some of the features, you can pause and have a look at it. This keyboard comes with more than 1 crore key presses and 30 lakh mouse clicks, and this is just with 2 AA batteries. At the back you can see the same details along with some more product specifications. It's on your screen now. One important thing to note, this keyboard is not suitable if you use this numeric keyboard quite often. Now let's see what all you get along with the keyboard. This is the mini keyboard, actually quite small and compact. You can carry it in your bag easily. One thing you would notice is the numeric keys which are there in any traditional keyboard is missing in this, along with home, page, up and down key. Let's keep this aside for a moment now. You also get 2 AA batteries, a mouse, a dongle and user manual along with the keyboard. The keyboard and the mouse is powered by 2 AA batteries. I tried the keyboard with Windows and Mac and in both it worked perfectly fine. Overall, a decent product for the price that it's offering at. If you're planning for one, the link is in the description below. So that's about it folks. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have liked the video. In case if you have liked the video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such videos in future. Until the next one, take care, bye bye.